Hi, thank you for joining me on today's tutorial on Google Adsense Auto Ads. My name is Sunday Ukafio. I help people and businesses succeed online through user-friendly website design and search engine optimization. In a few minutes, I'll be showing you how to activate Auto Ads on your blog and boost your AdSense earnings. Now, if you don't know what Auto Ads is the latest feature in Google AdSense. It uses artificial intelligence to optimize your ads for best result. According to Google, some of the benefits Auto Ads offers include optimization, revenue opportunities, and is easy to use. For optimization, using machine learning, Auto Ads show ads only when they are likely to perform well. Now, what that means is that if an advert is not likely going to perform well, Auto Ads will not show it. It only shows a particular advert when it's likely going to perform well. And for revenue opportunities, Auto Ads will identify any available ad space and place new ads there. Now, what that translates to is that Auto Ads will scan your blog, and once it finds a space that an advert will likely fit in properly well, Auto Ads will show advert there. Now, and finally, it's easy to use, and of course, you'll be finding out how easy in a couple of minutes. For us to move forward, log in to your AdSense account. Let's set up Auto Ads. So simply go to your AdSense dashboard. For me, I just go to adsense.com, and it opens my dashboard straight up. Okay, so the good thing is that I'm already logged in, so I won't have to log in again. So the next thing you want to do is to click on My Ads and give it a few seconds to load. Depending on your internet speed, this could take a little while. Okay, now we're here. Now, if your dashboard from here does not look exactly like mine, not to worry. Now, I've been playing around with the Auto Ads feature, so my option may be slightly different from your own. But what you will see, if you've not been here before, will be get started. So that's what you are likely going to see. So you click that, but if you are seeing exactly this, what you need to do is to click on this pencil icon, which will simply show change your global settings. So click on it, and then it will take us to the next page. Now, if you click on the get started or the pencil icon, the next page you are going to will be this, and it will be exactly the same way this is. Now, what you want to do is to turn on this toggle by clicking on it. So you just click it, and then you go down and you keep clicking. Now, this is normally by default is already activated, but if it's not activated for you, just go ahead and click on it. Mine is already activated. By default, it should be already activated. Now, after you're done, the next thing you want to do is to click on Save. Now, once you save it, click on Set up Auto Ads and then copy this code. Now, you have to copy the Auto Ads code and put on your site. Now, Google said to put it, say copy and paste this code in between the 8 tags of your site. So you copy the code. Now, I'm using WordPress, so what I will do is to go to my site. If you're using WordPress, simply go to your site and log in. For me, I'm already logged into my site, so this will be taking me straight to the dashboard. But if it doesn't take you straight to your dashboard, go ahead and log in. Let's move on. Now, once you're in your dashboard, this is what you see. Where you want to go to Appearance, and then you want to go to Editor, because you want to be able to edit your site code and add the Auto Ads code. Now, depending on your internet speed, this could take a little while. So let's just give it some few seconds. Okay, it's coming right up. Now, by default, once you click on the editor, it first of all shows the style sheet. That's not what you want. You want to go down to your theme header, your header.php file. So go ahead and click on it and allow it, give it some few seconds to load up. Now, once it's up, remember we were told to place it in between that's the opening and closing 8 tag. So this is it. This is the opening 8 tag. So you just want to come right here and then enter to get some space here. And what you want to do is do Control V. That's if you had copied the code here. What you want to do is simply, once you click this, it copies the code. So once you are here, what you need to do is to place the cursor where you want to put it, and then you do Control V. And then do Control V. Now, if you notice that there's already a previous code here. This was the code I used in activating my Google AdSense account. And the good thing about Auto Ads is that even if you already had Google AdSense code placed inside your tab, you can still put the Auto Ad code and it won't have any effect. In fact, even if you already have ads manually placed on your site, you don't need to touch them. Once you press this auto ads code, auto ads will automatically take over, and you don't have to even remove the existing code, except you just want to. So you can go ahead and leave the codes, even the hardware codes, exactly where they are. And then once you've added the code, what you want to do is to click on update file. Once you click on update file, it will update, and that's how simple it is. So give me feedback on how auto ad is for you, if it's working well for you, if your revenue is improving. And if this video has been helpful, please go ahead and leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will be dropping other videos on AdSense, I'll be dropping videos on blogging, on making money online, and on web design, and you don't want to miss out. Thank you for watching. Do have a nice day.